Sam for Alexander. Good build-up by New York, using the whole field, and now Convict. Henry for Alexander. Return pass. Henry will get on this. Plays it across. It's Wright-Phillips again. What a beautifully constructed play. 15th of the year. And it's 1-0 New York.
That's not going to get any better than that. Absolutely superb in terms of the movement, the passing. What a good ball by Eric Alexander. And then Thierry Henry. We've talked about it all season long. Bradley Wright-Phillips, he's been the beneficiary of the passing by Henry. Henry puts it in the perfect spot. And Bradley Wright-Phillips squares his hips, opens up inside of the right foot, roofs the ball. That's a terrific goal.
Henry will take the team assist lead, his 7th of the year.